Hello students, the topic of this video is chemical bonding. The bonding between atoms is due to the forces described by Coulomb's law. For our purpose, it is enough to know that protons and electrons often have attractive and repulsive electronic forces because they are charged particles. We know that the interaction between two electrons is repulsive, the interaction between two nuclei is also repulsive, and the interaction between electrons and nuclei is attractive. But if the attraction between the two atoms is greater than the repulsion, a bond is formed. There are different classes of chemical bonding. In this presentation, we will be talking about ionic, covalent and polar covalent bonding. First, let us know about ionic bonding. An ionic bond is generally formed between metals and non-metals. When metal and non-metal atoms approach each other, an electron transfer takes place. The metal transfers one or more electrons to the non-metal so that both atoms reach the nearest noble gas configuration. The example shown here is a sodium atom transferring an electron to a fluorine atom. The resulting charged ions are then attracted to each other due to electrostatic forces. Positively charged sodium cation is attracted to negatively charged fluorine anions, forming the ionic sodium fluoride. Simply put, ionic bonding is the electrostatic attraction between positive and negative ions. Next, let us know about covalent bonding. A covalent bond is formed due to equal electron sharing between non-metal atoms. Instead of transferring electrons between bonding atoms, bonded non-metals will share valence electrons to achieve noble gas configuration. In a covalent bond, the electrons are shared equally between bonded atoms. Sharing electrons allows two bonded hydrogen atoms to attain nearest noble gas configuration of helium. The area of highest electron density will be between two bonded hydrogens. Each hydrogen now has access to two electrons. The bond is also known as non-polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bonding is unequal sharing of electrons between atoms. Molecules that have unequal electron sharing have a partial charge separation on the bonded atoms. The atom in a molecule that is more electronegative will have larger electron density and a slight net negative charge, termed delta negative. The atom in a molecule that is less electronegative will have smaller electron density and a slight positive charge, termed delta positive. This hydrogen chloride molecule has higher electron density centered on chloride atom because chloride is more electronegative than hydrogen. The chloride is delta negative and the hydrogen is delta positive. Let us compare the properties between covalent and ionic bonded compounds. Covalent bonded compounds have low melting and boiling points compared to ionic bonded compounds. Covalent bonded compounds are softer and flexible compared to ionic bonded compounds. Covalent bonded compounds are more flammable compared to ionic bonded compounds. Covalent bonded compounds are not soluble in water, whereas ionic bonded compounds are soluble in water. Covalent bond compounds does not conduct electricity in water, while ionic compounds conduct electricity in water. Hope this was informative, and by now you should be able to explain ionic, covalent and polar covalent bonding between atoms. Thank you.